welcome back to our channel. Just thought I'd show you what we're starting next. So this one is one for the Volkswagen fans. Let's show you what we got. So here's our Corrado VR6. This is the next one in. Beautiful car, this one. It's going to be having a bit of paint, as you can see there. A bit of lacquer peel. Painters already started taking that back. But I need to get it in just to do a bit of welding on the front wing. So as you can see, the rot's set in here. Luckily I've managed to get a repair piece, so I'm going to weld that into that wing, because apart from that it's pretty decent. Lacquer peel on the bonnet, so that's going to be stripped back, painted. And then this wing is going to be replaced, because it's got a hole in it and some nice tape. This whole side's going to be painted because some lovely person's keyed it. Long here as well. Can't quite see. And it's also going to have a bit of rust done here. So there. And there's a bit under here. But this is a really nice example of one. It's actually got some optional extra Recaro seats in here, so they were an optional extra from the factory. They're all electric, and also these speaker pods are, I think they're a one-off. They were like a group buy on one of the Facebook groups, or a forum I think it was. Christmas tunes on. 127,000. Stacks of service history. Good condition in the back. The only thing mechanically that needs doing is clutch on it. So I'll be doing a series on this one, so look forward to showing you how it unfolds. So there she is, Corrado VR6. Work starts right now.